think they're delivering, right?
You could call them and see, but I doubt they'll deliver here. Call Village Express and see if they'll deliver anyway. If they'll pick up from Hoshi anyway. Maybe their thing isn't updated. Is that the gift that Uncle Joe and Aunt Christina got you for Valentine's Day?
Wow, paper!
And that's your balloon that Daddy got you. What's in there? Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, I can't even pull it out and hold this at the same time. All right. Hold that.
Closed.
What's closed? They closed? I don't know. I'm just ordering from the same old places. What else? Oh!
Wow!
How pretty! You like that one? And ooh, look at this one. Say thank you, Uncle Joe and Aunt Christina.
Say thank you.
Thank you. I love you. Say thank you. No, say thank you.
Livy, say thank you.
Thank you. Mama. No, no, Mama. Thank you. You want to open the card? You want to open the card? That's your card. It's pretty. Say thank you.